014, 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, State of Tennessee, USA. QSL? Hey, QSL, the number is 2 Alpha Whiskey 014. The numbers are 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, and the personal on this end is Ken, Kilo Echo November. The personal is Ken, Kilo Echo November, 2 Alpha Whiskey 014. Back to you, 34 Romeo Charlie 146, QSL.
5x6 in the mobile station, 5x6 your signal response. I transmitting from I expect to you Hierro, Echo, Lima, separation Hotel India, Echo, Romeo, Oscar. In this moment is the city Frontera is the city in this moment. Okay, I'm waiting for Valverde, the capital of Hierro Island.
Hey, QSL, now what country are you located in again? Could you bring back your country again? What country are you in? Are you in Europe or are you in South America? I'm not sure where your country is there. Ken, back to you, sir. Go ahead.
Yes, Mr. Ken, Europe, okay? This is 34 Division, Canary Island.
Hey, QSL, very good, 100%. I'm not next to a computer there. I've got the free band divisions in my computer. I need to print them out so I can know exactly when I'm making a contact. Very good signal here. Propagation are starting to pick up this evening, it seems like there. I'm in the state of Tennessee. That's Tango, Echo, November, Echo, Sierra, Echo. Located in the state of Tennessee there. Back to you.
Yeah, Mr. Ken. In the moment it's 5x9. Very strong your signal. My antenna is a video channel.
Hey, QSL on being mobile. Well, I tell you what, for you to be coming over across the waters in a mobile, you're doing an excellent job. You really are. Working conditions on this end is a President Jackson export radio with an Antron 99 about 25 feet in the air, and definitely got you in there. Sometimes the conditions drop a little bit. At times I get a 5x5 on you, a 5x3, and sometimes it drops just a little bit because that's just Mother Nature propagation coming in, but definitely doing your thing over here. 34 Romeo Charlie 146, this is 2 Alpha Whiskey 014. Back to you, sir.
Many thanks for my QSL, my friend. I'm very happy for the contact. Okay? All my information in QRZ11.com or QRZ11.net, my friend. Many thanks for this contact, my friend.
Okay, very good. It's been a pleasure on this end. You definitely, Mobile's doing you a good job there. You're making it across the waters in fine style there. I'd like to make your contact again on the frequency. All the good numbers from my house to yours. It's been a pleasure. This is a 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, State of Tennessee, USA, North America. We thank you, sir.